Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and serene meadows, there lived a young girl named Emma. Emma had a unique gift. She possessed an innate talent for music that was evident from an early age. Her love for music was nurtured by her parents, who encouraged her to explore her passion. Emma's favorite instrument was the guitar. She received her first guitar on her 7th birthday, a modest yet beautifully crafted acoustic guitar. From the moment she strummed its strings, she was captivated by the instrument's soulful resonance. Emma spent countless hours practicing, her fingers dancing across the fretboard, producing melodies that echoed through her family's cozy home. As Emma grew older, her skills with the guitar flourished. She began writing her own songs, blending the harmonious chords of her guitar with the sweet melodies of her voice. Her voice was another gift, clear, resonant, and full of emotion. When she sang, it felt as though the entire world paused to listen. Her songs were stories in themselves, weaving tales of love, joy, sorrow, and hope. Emma's music quickly gained the attention of her village. Every Saturday, she would perform in the village square, drawing crowds of villagers who gathered to hear her play and sing. Her music brought people together, fostering a sense of community and joy. The villagers admired her talent and supported her dream of becoming a renowned artist. One day, a music producer named Mr. Thompson happened to visit the village. He was immediately captivated by Emma's performance. Her voice and guitar playing resonated with him in a way that no other artist had before. Mr. Thompson approached Emma after her performance and introduced himself. He expressed his admiration for her talent and invited her to come to the city to record her songs professionally. Emma was thrilled but also apprehensive. She had never left her village before, and the prospect of moving to the city was daunting. However, her passion for music and the encouragement of her family and friends gave her the courage she needed. She decided to take the leap and pursue her dream. In the city, Emma worked tirelessly to hone her craft. She spent long hours in the recording studio, perfecting her songs and developing her unique sound. Mr. Thompson introduced her to other musicians and industry professionals who helped her grow as an artist. Emma's dedication and hard work paid off, and soon she released her first album. Her album was an instant success. Critics praised her for her lyrical depth and musicality, and her songs began to climb the charts. Emma's dream was becoming a reality. She embarked on a nationwide tour, performing in sold-out venues and connecting with fans who were moved by her music. Each performance was a testament to her passion and dedication, and she inspired many aspiring musicians to pursue their own dreams. Despite her growing fame, Emma remained humble and grounded. She never forgot her roots or the village that had nurtured her talent. She often returned to her hometown to perform, sharing her success with the people who had supported her from the beginning. As the years went by, Emma continued to evolve as an artist. She experimented with different musical genres, collaborated with other musicians, and pushed the boundaries of her creativity. Her music became a reflection of her journey, filled with the experiences and emotions that shaped her life. Emma's story is one of perseverance, passion, and the transformative power of music. She showed that with hard work and dedication, dreams could become reality. Her legacy as a musician and a storyteller lives on, inspiring future generations to find their own voice and share it with the world. The story is over. Now let's do the test. Question 1. What was Emma's favorite instrument? A. Piano. B. Guitar. C. Violin. D. Drums. Answer is B. Guitar. Question 2. Who discovered Emma and offered her an opportunity to record her songs professionally? A. A famous singer. B. Her parents. C. A music producer named Mr. Thompson. D. A fellow villager. Answer is C. A music producer named Mr. Thompson. Question 3. What was the reaction to Emma's first album? A. It was a failure. B. It was a moderate success. C. It was an instant success. D. It went unnoticed. Answer is C. It was an instant success. Question 4. How did Emma remain connected to her roots? A. By visiting her village frequently. B. By ignoring her fame. C. By living in her village permanently. D. By quitting music. Answer is A. By visiting her village frequently. Question 5. What message does Emma's story convey? A. Music is not a viable career. B. Fame is more important than talent. C. With hard work and dedication, dreams can become reality. D. Success is only for the privileged. Answer is C. With hard work and dedication, dreams can become reality. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your English listening practice.